Oh, it's nice to be back. It's nice to be back. This is a wicked trail as well. I'm not sure if it's still following me. I'm not sure if it's too far away. I think I'm going to stop up here and adjust it so maybe it's slightly closer in the shot. Hopefully it's still following me. I can't go too quick though. Oh yes, it's still there. The grass has grown a bit, I can't see. Oh, it's right there, boys. Different perspective for you anyway. Oh, everything is... Oh. We go again. Cruise my way over to the next section. Right then, hopefully the next shot's going to look unreal. Gonna have to come back here with the silky. Oh, whoa, look at it. Whoa, probably not the right approach. I'll take that, I'll take that. That's what I was here to do and I've done it. That's what's next. No, can't get my leg over. Whoa, I'll take that, I reckon. God. I am not ready. I'm not ready for this. Oh my days. Time to head home. Last little trail of the day. Oh, yep. We gotta go. I think this is how I'm gonna finish it. Go on. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you thought. Oh, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.